Hello everyone, let us talk Maskandi lyrics. Ufalabo noSinentuli bathi savele sahlukana akekho walomunye. Savele sahlukana akekho watshela omunye ukuthi akasamthandi. The fact that they can say savele sahlukana means the relationship did end. It's just that it wasn't vocalized that the relationship is ending. But the pulling away, the distancing yourself, the ghosting your partner is the breakup. A man ghosting you or a woman ghosting you is the breakup. Them coming back and saying savele sahlukana, you didn't communicate the breakup. Wawuzo communicate when he was ghosting you. The relationship did end. Them ghosting you was the breakup. Them ghosting you was all the closure you needed. It's very toxic to be umuntu who's welcoming. Umuntu so they can just ghost you and then come back with that. We didn't really end the relationship just because the breakup was not communicated. The fact that we were not speaking to each other for months means we were not in the relationship. The fact that you mourned the relationship, because ngesikhathi ghoster, it's not like uhlala uthi in a couple of months he's gonna come back. When he ghosts you, you mourn the relationship. You literally have to come to the realization that the relationship is over, and you mourn it and you go through a heartbreak. So yeah, those feelings, mourning the relationship, going through the heartbreak, that's the closure that you need. That's all the closure that you need. You don't need to be manipulated a few months later into thinking the relationship isn't really over because the breakup was not communicated when there actually was a breakup. In fact, umuntu even tried to date somebody else during the time period that you were not speaking to each other. And then he realized, oh, the grass is not greener on this other side that I've now jumped onto. So now they try to jump back with some asihlukananga. Akekho walomunye, akekho watshela omunye ukuthi akasamfuni. Like, yeah, he didn't vocally tell you ukuthi akasakufuni, but his actions told you ukuthi akasakufuni, didn't they? And they spoke loud because you felt the heartbreak. He didn't tell you that he didn't